Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to factory reset Mercusys MT110 4G LTE router. Now, you might be wondering how to exactly reset your router here. Well, this one is fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be familiarized with your device. Now, as you can see at the very top here on your device, you have these buttons or you have these ports. Now, the thing with this one is, as you can see, there's going to be a small hole here that has that recycle or rotating icon next to it. Now, if you're not aware yet, this is actually the reset button. So what you need to do is you just need to get a small pin, so maybe a ball pen or something really thin. You can even use like a paper clip if you can. So and you want to go ahead and just put it inside this hole here and press it for about like 10 to 15 seconds. Now, typically speaking, while you're pressing it, it will start blinking. So if you do notice that your lights here start blinking, it means the process or the reset process is initiating. So if that's the case, remove the pin that was plugged or was in here. Now you notice that the Wi-Fi here will start to steady. Once it's steady, it means that the process or reset process is actually complete. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan App. Thank you for watching.